Hello everyone, Eddy Ray back again with some more free magic tricks courtesy of the secretmagiciansclub.com. Make sure you guys like this video, share it, comment below, and of course, subscribe as well. Today's tricks are all about some handkerchiefs and pencils. Stay tuned. So today we're going to teach you a little bit of a phase or a routine using a pencil and a handkerchief. And this is what it looks like. You have the handkerchief, and you can reach up and get a pencil. This is a real pencil too, unsharpened of course. I want you to watch the pencil very closely. I'm going to stroke the handkerchief and make it disappear. It can come right back, just like magic. Here's how it works. All right guys, this is a pretty amazing and visual trick for you. It's very simple to do as well. It does require a little bit of sleight of hand and some moves to learn and practice, so keep that in mind. But this is meant to be done kind of impromptu for a few people at a time. It's very visual. So here we go. We have a handkerchief here. This is like a regular size men's pocket handkerchief. This is actually a silk handkerchief, but if you get a regular men's pocket handkerchief, it will be roughly the same size, okay? And then of course a pencil. I use unsharpened, that way you don't prick or poke yourself with the pencil, with the point. This is gonna go in your hand, pinched between your middle and ring finger, just like this, with about an inch protruding above your fingertips. And to set up, drape the handkerchief over top of that. Put your thumb there. And this handkerchief just kind of hangs down naturally in front of the pencil. And you have pretty good angles here from the sides as well. So make sure nobody's behind you. They can see the pencil, of course, behind. But now you're set to go to make the pencil appear. This works better standing, of course. It looks more natural. Seated, it looks kind of weird holding it like this, but naturally standing up, kind of holding the handkerchief and it's just kind of dangling down freely. So here's how you make it appear. Other hand, that's free, grabs the eraser and pulls the pencil straight up through your hand until you get the very bottom of the pencil, and then whisk the handkerchief away, and there's the appearance of a pencil. It's pretty cool and surprising, but the most visual thing's about to happen, the disappearance. This is called the flip stick move by a magician named Flip. You're gonna hold the pencil between your thumb, index, and middle fingers, just like this. And I also pinch the handkerchief between the index and middle finger too. The handkerchief is used as cover. As you stroke up to cover the pencil, like this, what's going to happen is the middle finger will push the pencil into the palm and the heel of your hand, just like this. But it happens very quickly. So you want to practice this move right here. Practice this over and over. That. Use force, use pressure, and speed is good. Now the handkerchief allows you to be a bit more careful with the move. It gives you some cover from flashing the pencil. So from an angle like this, you could actually pretend to toss the pencil into the air, like this, disappears. Of course, it's back here, okay? So you're just kind of applying pressure. The right hand's actually pushing a little bit the opposite direction, and this middle finger here is pushing in, and you get that quick flip of the pencil, like that, okay? With the handkerchief in front, disappears. Quickly make it reappear. Bring this hand up vertically and see how the handkerchief kind of covers automatically there. Grab the pencil here and the handkerchief and flick downward, making it reappear very quick, okay? So it's a very quick phase. Make the pencil appear, disappear, and reappear all by magic, and then everything can be examined if you want afterwards. So don't forget guys, the appearance. Practice each move by itself, or do just one of the moves at a time for your audience. I really think the strongest part here is making the pencil disappear and vanish like this, and making it reappear very quickly. All right, so some cool tricks using a handkerchief and a pencil. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more free magic tricks right here on the Secret Magicians Club. See you guys back here next time.